Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you guys one of the best affiliate program that you guys can earn from 100 to 500 per day commission. Okay, so this is one of the simplest and the easiest way that you can uh, earn commission from affiliate program. So what is this affiliate program? This is called the Maniaprofit. I just found out this affiliate program that is going to convert well, and it's very simple. You just need to drive traffic to this affiliate program and earn commission. So if you guys interesting for affiliate marketing, for how you can drive traffic for your affiliate program or affiliate link, I definitely recommend to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this channel is all about affiliate marketing and traffic and YouTube and the most programs that I found in the marketplace. I'm going to review for you guys that you guys can get the profit and get the benefit from this programs, and you can use for your online business. Okay, so what is this affiliate program? Maniaprofit. I just going to sign in for you guys that you guys can see how is this program works. Simply just need to sign up for this program. I put the link in the description. If you guys are interested, you guys can go and sign in for this program. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. You just need to drive traffic for this affiliate program and earn commission. Okay, so I just sign in for this program, and I will show you guys a step by step that how you guys can earn commission from this affiliate program. As I as I have so much other videos about affiliate marketing and ClickBank, you guys can go and check out another video about affiliate marketing. So this is my program that I just uh, started, but I definitely recommend you guys sign up for this program. It does going to convert well, and you can um, get at least $100 commission, and you can withdraw to your PayPal. So that's very simple, and you just need to uh, drive traffic for this program, and you will get commission. As you guys can see, is share your referral URL on social media and earn up to $1 per unique visitor. Only $1 per visitor. Okay, so if you drive traffic like 500 click for your affiliate link, you guys can earn 500. And I think it's, yes, it's a $5 per I think. I just going to give you some other tips that you guys can know about this program. So it's very simple, guys. I think it's $5 for another program that you wants to if the your referral sign up for this program and earn commission. You guys can earn commission, I think, something like this. But the main thing is you need to drive traffic for this program, and it's very simple, and you can promote this affiliate program to the Facebook, to the Pinterest, to Quora, Twitter, so many other platforms that you guys can promote this affiliate program and earn commission. You can pay for a paid advertising from solo as Udemy. Udemy is one of the best affiliate uh, you know program that you guys can go and earn. You can go and get the commission, like buy traffic sources from the marketer and drive traffic for your affiliate program. So I definitely recommend you guys to check out this website. It does make you money, and it's very simple. It's not complicated like other programs. You just need to be constantly have action and just start earning commission and just drive traffic to this program. So that's it. I wanted to share with you guys about this program that you guys can earn commission very easily, and you can withdraw uh, when you earn like 100 clicks for this product, for this affiliate program, and you can withdraw the you know the commission that you work for this program. So I hope you guys enjoying this video, and if you guys have any question, any thought, or anything that you want to know about this affiliate program, I definitely recommend you guys comment below and subscribe and hit the notification bells whenever I got new uh, a video about affiliate marketing and traffic sources and YouTube and etc. You guys can go and check out and earn commission and scale your business. I hope you guys enjoying this video, and I put the link in the description. You guys can go and sign up for this program. It's free, and I hope you guys earn some commission. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.